y'all, welcome back to KD Resin. I know y'all are getting sick and tired of these, but they have caught on like wildfire. I have another special order for the light switches. I'm using my Danica Pores pigment paste, or pigment powder, I'm sorry, not paste. I am mixing in a smaller cup, and I'm going to incorporate them into a bigger cup so that I make sure that I don't have any spots with my powders. I've already cleaned my molds, so I'm moving them away so the powder don't flow. These are just gorgeous colors. I love the Danica Pore line. Danica Pores line. Okay, now I'm going to get bigger cups. I feel like this is a lot of waste. Using different cups, you know. I use my mixer if I'm using just one color to mix up my color, and that seems to work pretty good. I'm hoping that I have enough resin here. Let me move this guy out of the way for a second. These plastic cups I use because my mixer fits on them. But they don't fit my hands very good because my hands are so small. I'm going to clean this cup out and see if I can't use it again. We'll see. Okay, now if I had it more clear, so I'm going to have to stir him up again. Okay. This seems to be the trick on the powders, don't it? I think Nat shared this one with me. Matters of the Heart by Nat, I think is her name. Okay, I think we're ready to go on that one. I brought out my little baby sticks today, didn't I? All right, y'all, this is going to be very interesting. I'm going to start at the bottom with the darker color. And we're going to see how this goes, y'all. I'm hoping. I just smeared that, didn't I? All over the back of that. I'm going to start with the white first. Oh my goodness, I should have sprayed it with alcohol first. Okay. That's all I'm doing. And we're going to see how these guys go on the light switches. It'll have to be that way because they're up that way. Or the outlet covers, I'm sorry. That's the light switch. I'm lucky that drip landed in the color that it was supposed to have been, ain't I? That moved up too much, didn't it? All right, we'll see what happens, y'all. All right, y'all. I just got these out of the freezer. Yep, I said freezer. When I use my heating mat, I put them in my freezer to cool them down so I can demold faster. These ain't gonna really be too much of a reveal. Those ain't no big deal, are they, y'all? cute. All right, y'all. I'm going to keep these for something. Put them in a extras, whatever. All right, y'all. There we have it. Yet another set of plug outlets and light switch cover. All right. I'll see you guys next video. And as always, thanks for watching.